We continue to track the tropics here at CBSMiami.com. I'm meteorologist Liz Horton in CBS 4 Weather Control, monitoring the latest on Hurricane Irma. The 2 o'clock advisory shows a Category 5 storm, strong winds, 185 miles per hour, and it's very close right now to St. Thomas. It's expected to move toward Puerto Rico tonight, just south of the southeast Bahamas by Friday morning, and then somewhere between the Bahamas and Cuba on Saturday morning. And then, as you can see, still a Category 4 storm just off the coast of South Florida near the Keys by Sunday morning. Now, the track, of course, still a little bit uncertain. It does look like it will pass more to the east coast of Florida Sunday into Monday, starting to weaken as it interacts with land as a Category 3 there by Monday morning off the northern coast there of Florida. Now, you can see this is a significant storm as it continues to impact the Virgin Islands right now, and it is pressing towards Puerto Rico. They're already starting to get the outer bands and some wind gusts there. Hurricane warnings have been issued for of course, the northern Leeward Islands all the way over towards Puerto Rico, including portions of the Turks and Caicos, the Bahamas, and a hurricane watch has been issued for central Bahamas and Cuba. I expect that will likely expand to include Florida as we go through the next 12 to 24 hours. Computer models, as you can see, we call these spaghetti plots, take the center of circulation most likely offshore, just to the east of us. There are still a few outlier models that try to take it west, but most of the models starting to agree more that the center of circulation, the strongest winds right around that eye wall, may indeed stay off to the east. Either way, you have to prepare because these things can turn and shift very easily as we head a little bit closer to the storm. It does look like tropical storm force winds will arrive between Friday night and Saturday morning, so all preparations really need to be done, I would say, by Friday around noon. And of course, if you're hunkering down, Saturday into Sunday is likely going to be the worst of the wind and rain and storm surge here. And not only are we tracking, of course, the rainfall and the storm surge, but the significant wind, as you can see, the red does include, that's the strongest winds here, and it does include South Florida as we head into this weekend. We're also monitoring Tropical Storm Jose right now. It's still 1,100 miles east of the Lesser Antilles, 70-mile-per-hour winds. This is basically just riding on the coattails of Irma. It is expected to become a hurricane in the coming days, but the good news is that this hurricane, although it is expected to strengthen, looks to stay out to sea and not impact us. In fact, the significant wind impact really kind of misses everyone, may barely clip some of the northern Leeward Islands. Tropical Storm Katia also has formed, so we're very busy tracking the tropics. The 11 a.m. advisory shows winds of 45 miles per hour. This is just a tropical storm. It is expected to strengthen once again, likely into a Category 1 hurricane before it veers off towards Veracruz in the coming days, probably by Friday. All the significant wind impact will stay mostly out to sea, a little bit onshore as it does make landfall. You can continue to track the tropics all day long. We'll continue to provide you updates here at CBSMiami.com.